The New Holland Saskatoon plant, a part of CNH Industrial, is located in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada, and operates mainly one shift per day, 5 days a week. The plant opened in 1980 with 678,000 square feet on 156 acres. They employ over 450 people in all departments. The parent company, CNH Industrial, makes the vehicles that keep agriculture and industry growing, from tractors and combines to trucks and buses, as well as powertrain solutions for on-road, off-road, and marine vehicles. They design, produce, and sell machines for work. They employ more than 63,000 people in 66 manufacturing plants and 53 R&D centers globally. The Saskatoon plant started their lean journey through world-class manufacturing in 2008, achieving the bronze level in 2012, and in 2015, they were the first agricultural plant in the North American region to achieve the silver level. Some of their achievements include 100% reduction in lost time injuries, 93% reduction in first aid case frequency index, over 6% cost savings from budget for 3 years in a row, and more than 17 Kaizen suggestions submitted per year per employee. The utilization of WCM at Saskatoon is very pervasive, and it favorably impacts all elements of the award criteria and each of the feedback elements. Each leader is associated with a specific WCM pillar. This structure provides consistent emphasis on achieving WCM-driven objectives. Saskatoon has exhibited a long-term ability to continue implementation of the process. Actual results of WCM implementation as it relates to lean are impressive. The metrics they use are constantly exposing losses, and evidence of root cause analysis is exhibited throughout operations. The WCM system has a very structured approach to introduction of tools. Countermeasures are followed until evidence of success is obtained. The tools that Saskatoon are using are very effective. Congratulations to CNH's New Holland Saskatoon for the AME Excellence Award.